Hey guys, welcome back to Lanap. For today's video, we're going to show you how to put products and categories in Shopify tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now, how do you add or use categories on your products? Well, using them is fairly easy. So at the left panel here, you want to go to products, and under products, you want to go to the product that you want to edit. So for example, we have this product. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, in this case, we need to discuss a few things. So before, the location for categories is going to be at the right side here, but as you can see right now, it's no longer there because right now it's just underneath the section for the product details. So in this case, we have category. Let's go ahead and click on this one, and you can go ahead and select whatever product or category you have. So for this one, this is going to be under our products. So let's just go ahead and choose our clothing. So we've just chosen our apparel and accessories, and in this case you could go ahead and further state this. Let's go ahead and click on clothing specifically. But yeah, so once you're done, you could go ahead and click on save at the top right here, and from then on you could go ahead and start adding your filters if you want to. So just an example, the search and discovery. You can add specific filters on your pages if you want to. You can go and click on customize filters. So I could add a filter here for category. Let's go and click source, choose category. Let's go and click on save. Now when we go to our catalog, it should now filter this and clothing. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan App. Thank you for watching.